YouTube, man, what's going on? It's your boy Just Bucks, and I'm back with another video, man. As y'all can see by the title, man, I'm back at the crib. And as y'all can also see by the title, we're gonna be turning my childhood bedroom into my dream streaming setup. As y'all know, man, I do TikTok streams, I do live streams, stuff like that. Hold on, it's dark. Let me stand in front of the light. And yeah, man, my room. I'm gonna show y'all my room. I ain't gonna lie, it's a mess right now. I just got back from college, not even an hour ago. And man, my room is cluttered, and I'm gonna clean all this stuff out. And y'all gonna just come with me. Y'all seen the thumbnail, man. Y'all see the room is raw. So we just finna get straight to this video. Like, comment, subscribe, follow me on the gram, linked in the description. Let's go. Hey man, so as y'all can see, it's junk everywhere. So let's just fix this. I'm not gonna make y'all wait. So hey man, as y'all can see, we changed the room around, got some stuff out, got some stuff in. But we got a box full of decorations, and we got some more. We got a bunch more packages downstairs. But yeah, man, we're gonna go ahead and get those decorations. I'm gonna show y'all my process of putting these up. And y'all let me know how the room coming right now at this point in time in the video. Rated 1 through 10. I'm gonna have y'all rate it again once we get closer towards the end. But first things first, you gotta see the vision, man. You gotta put the vision board up. Y'all know how this goes. Trying to see where I want to put it, though. It's not like, but it's like right when you walk in, you see it. So yeah, you know, we're not fan the wild one. I got the screws tighter, but we gonna fix that another day. That's not today. We not doing fix my fan. So we like, I forget what's in here, so this might not even be decoration. See what this say? The world is yours. This was it. God's plan. We're gonna be putting these up on the wall. This is gonna be in the background of my streams. So if y'all tune into my TikToks, man, y'all gonna see these soon. Also, we'll have different animations and stuff in the background of the streams too. I gotta take this down. Take it now. I got some of my paintings. Yeah, let's do it. We'll put these up here. Let's do it. Why not? Alright, now we're gonna hang up my paintings. I got space for some more whenever I do some more. But, yeah, the LED lights on this one. Oh, I should have put it on this wall right here. I tweaked. Should I do that, chat? Let me know that I'll take them down and put them back up over here. I'll do that in the next video. I'll do, chat. This is what I told y'all I was excited for. Alright, man, so the room perfectly done, as y'all can see. We just gotta bring it to life, y'all. Let's bring it to life. I'm gonna change these comforters in the next clip. But let's bring it to life, man. And 3, 2. Wait. You still watching and you not subscribed yet, bro? Alright, now that you subscribed, and that you like the video, and that you comment a fire emoji. 3, 2,